So distance of a point from a line. So there is a line here L. Its equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and p x1 y1 is one point here. Here we want a distance of the point from this line here. Here we want this distance d. Therefore, here L is the line whose distance from the point of p x1 y1 is d. Next, draw PM perpendicular to the line L here. If the line L meets x-axis and y-axis at the point Q and R, this line meets the x-axis at Q and y-axis at R respectively. Then the coordinates of the points are Q minus C upon A comma 0 and R 0 comma minus C upon B. Because you know that in the previous case, suppose AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 is the line here. Write this equation in the intercept form here. Take a plus C is attached here. It becomes AX plus BY is equal to minus C. Take a minus C this side. Cross multiplier. We can write here AX divided by minus C plus BY divided by minus C is equal to 1 here. Take A to denominator and B to denominator. X divided by minus C upon A. Then plus Y divided by minus C upon B, that is equal to 1 here. So minus C upon A plus x upon minus C upon A plus y upon minus C upon B equal to 1 here. It is in the form of x upon A plus y upon B is equal to 1 here. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎ ಏನು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಏನು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೌದಾ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಪಾನ್ ಎ. This distance is a minus c upon a. So coordinate of q is a minus c upon a comma 0. And this is a minus c upon b. This is distance here. Minus c upon b. So coordinate of the point r is 0 comma minus c divided by b here. Okay. So therefore here you know the points of p, q and r here. Here we know that area of the triangle here. Area of the triangle PQR is half into base into altitude here. In this case base is PM is altitude here. PM is altitude and base is QR. Okay, half into base into altitude here. Here altitude is PM and base is QR. Here we want this distance PM here. Here we want this distance here. Therefore take it to this side and QR this side here. So 2 into area of triangle PQR divided by this QR is equal to PM here. Is equal to PM. Take this one as result number 1 here. Okay. Take it to this side here and QR this side is equal to PM. Here PM is equal to this one. So therefore in this case first to find here area of the triangle PQR. Then to find the distance QR here. Okay. Here take area of the triangle PQR. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 divided by 2 into modulus of. So coordinate of P is x1 y1 here. x1 y1. Coordinate of Q is minus c upon a comma 0. Coordinate of R 0 minus of c divided by b. Repeat once again x1 y1 here. So multiply first in this order. Okay, x1 into 0. So right here in a bracket here x1 into 0 then plus. Then this into this here minus of c divided by a into minus c upon b. Okay, into minus of c divided by b. Then this into this here plus 0 into y1 bracket complete here. Then the minus of again into bracket. Then multiply in this order here. multiply the terms in this order. So y1 into minus c upon a, or minus c upon a into y1, then plus, then 0 into 0, 0 into 0 plus, then this into this, minus of c divided by b into x1 here. Okay, bracket complete here. Therefore, take this to this side, cross multiply 2 into, then the area of a triangle PQR is equal to x1 into 0 becomes a 0, minus into minus becomes a plus, so c square divided by a into b, c square upon ab, then the plus 0, plus 0, take a minus inside here, minus this minus becomes a plus, c divided by a into y1, and this is 0, so right here 0, again minus into minus becomes a plus, so c divided by b into x1 here. Okay, write the terms in the modulus here. Modulus. Then take a c upon ab common factor here. So modulus of c divided by a into b common factor here. Then here the remaining is if you take a c upon b common here, then a into x1, a x1 plus. Then here remaining term is b into y1 here, and here the remaining term is c here. Okay, just observe here. This term into this term. Okay, a and a cancels, we get this result here. Again, this into this here. b cancels, then we get this result here. Then this into this, use this one. C square divided by AB here. Okay, take this one as a result number 2 here. So 2 times area of the triangle PQR is equal to this one here. And use the distance formula. Here find QR. QR is equal to, here use the distance formula. Okay, so root of minus c upon a minus 0 whole square, minus c divided by a minus 0, it's a square, then plus, then 0 minus of minus become plus here, so 0 plus c divided by b, it's a square. Here minus c upon a minus 0 is a minus c upon a, and square is there, minus becomes a plus here, so root of so c square divided by a square here, then plus c upon b whole square becomes a c square divided by b square, c square by b square. Then this is equal to here take a LCM here. LCM is a square to b square here. So a square into b square is the LCM. Multiply b square here and a square here. So b square c square plus a square c square here. In the numerator, c square common factor here. Therefore, this is equal to root of so c square divided by a square into b square here into a square plus b square. So right here a square plus b square in a bracket here. Okay, c square common factor, c square upon a square b square. Then remaining here a square and a b square, a square plus b square. Root of c square is a c. Root of a square is a here. Root of b square is a b into root of a square plus b square here. So take this one as a result number 3. Use 2 and 3 in 1. So use here. Okay, here and here. Okay. Therefore, use 2 and 3 in 1. Use 2 and 3 in the result 1 here. Therefore, PM is equal to, write this one in the numerator, modulus of so c divided by AB into modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by, then a qr, even you can take a modulus here. So modulus of, so c divided by ab root of a square plus b square here. Then this term get cancels here. Here you know this distance pm is a d here. Therefore d is equal to, so modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. So this is the important theorem here. Very important theorem, and it carries 5 marks here. Every year they are asking this theorem here. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಇದು theorem ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. 5 marks ಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ.